This video is about WIPO, the World Intellectual Property Organization. WIPO was created in 1967 to encourage creative activity and to promote the protection of intellectual property throughout the world. Most countries in the world are party to one of the 26 treaties that WIPO is administering. I want to briefly introduce 3 of these treaties. The PCT, the Patent Cooperation Treaty, is signed by 148 countries throughout the world and allows to file one single patent application that is a valid patent application in all member countries. This application does not lead to a granted patent, but must be converted to a patent application within 30 months from the first priority date, or in some regions and countries within 31 months, for example with the European Union and the European Patent Office. So basically, this patent application is buying time to make the decision in which countries patent protection is needed. The Madrid system allows applicants from 97 members of this treaty, like the US, like the EU, like China, South Korea and Japan, to file one single trademark application to get protection in all these countries. First, you need to file a basic registration in your home country, like the US or like India or like China. And then, on the basis of this so-called basic registration, you can file for the international registration administered by this Madrid system. And then you can get trademark protection in all these countries. So first you have to file a basic trademark registration in your home country, and then you can file for the so-called international registration administered by this Madrid system to get trademark protection in any of these countries. So with just 2 trademark applications, namely the trademark application in your home country and the international registration, you can get trademark protection in many countries in the world. The Hague Agreement allows members of 65 countries and regions to file one single design application and get design protection in all 65 member countries and regions. Members are, for example, the EU, the US, China, Japan and many other countries. You can protect up to 100 designs with just one single design application. In addition to administering these international treaties, WIPO also tries to help developing countries to establish intellectual property protection in their respective country. And WIPO is also working on the harmonization of the intellectual property laws worldwide. WIPO also has a very cool cartoon series with Pororo the Little Penguin, teaching kids the basic principles of intellectual property. Pororo is a very popular cartoon character in South Korea. One example is their wildly successful video, Pororo and his friends invent a jet engine sled, where Pororo becomes an inventor, and the video has attracted more than 4 million views. I hope you have enjoyed this brief overview of WIPO, the World Intellectual Property Organization, and if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave your questions and comments below this video, and most importantly, reap your ideas.